Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing all of the different variants of Ramone. Now Ramone is a true artist that isn't afraid to take chances, explore new ways to express themselves, or push the limits of culture. Ramone believes that the automotive body can be a vehicle of expression, which is why every day for Ramone is a new chance to explore new paint jobs and push the boundaries of limits of art or whatever. Which, is very prominent, as you can see, because ranging from its classic purple colour to a Mexico-inspired one. We'll get to that. Let's start off with the one that we all know and love, the classic purple one. Now this one's one of the first, one of the first ever Disney cars I ever got, which is why it's in such a beat up condition. So he's based on a 1959 Chevrolet Impala, one of the most obvious car basis, or whatever, however you say it, in the car franchise. Up there with the King, Sally, and Nigel Gearsley, and Lizzie. How can I forget Lizzie? But carrying on, he has got, looks like purple flame, and little pinstriping, if that's what it's called. There you go, classic orange flame. Can't talk today. Which fades from a yellow all the way down to this really dark orange, probably close to a brown. And then there we go. Then the number plate reads low and slow. And there we go, more pinstripes, I guess you'd call it. Now let's move to which one should I go for next? Ooh. I think I'm gonna go for the yellow one. So his design is fairly similar to the purple one, which we just reviewed. It's just been changed up a little. Obviously the yellow, and here we go, and a flame down the side. And flame down the side, a bit more pinstriping. Which is good. I like it. Nice to keep it. Nice and simple. Which I like stuff nice and simple. I enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Like, I'm a hippie. I like what's the name? Arg, and the bus. Fillmore. Yes. Can't forget Fillmore. Ooh, here we go. Let's go with the red one. Ooh, his design's a bit more, designy, I guess the word is. Cause look, it's got a bit more of a pattern. You might not be able to see it as well, but it is there. I'm telling you. Here you go on the side. Here you go, got some lines and squiggles and shapes. Same thing on the top half as well. There you go. As I just said, very simplistic. I like stuff nice and simple. I enjoy life's simple pleasures. Which one? There we go. Ooh, there we go. Let's go with this one. The green Ramone from Cars 2. And one unique thing about this one is they've got a red trim. Come on. Red trim. Rim. Haha, I'm so funny. And his gold lines. And you got a light green stripe with a bit of blue on it, which contrasts really nicely, I think. And he's got a little red stripe along the rear. Well, getting near the rear anyway. Wink wink. Nudge nudge. And you got a very smiley expression. Oh, look at me, guys, I look so good. I mean, Ramone does look good. Just ask Flo. And, here we go. Ooh, let's go right to the very back. The hydraulic Ramone. Now, as the same, just here, practically the same as that purple one. It's just, well, we've got raised suspension. There, I'll leave him like that. He'll be funny. And here we go, last but certainly not least, Saludos amigos Ramone! That was a mouthful. Here you got the Mexico and America. Oof, that didn't age well. Here we go, got 51 to commemorate Cruz Ramirez and Doc Hudson, of course, because why wouldn't you celebrate Doc Hudson? He's a legend. And look, oh my god, it's got the Mexico flags, or Mexico colours, which is also the Italian colours. Grazie arrivederci, thank you Francesco Bernoulli. I got some contingency sponsors like Piston Cup, Dynaco, what else? There's some cones probably. Here we go, so Ramone's House of Body Art, a nice piece of advertising, and Oil Power and Americana. In early Mexico. Oh my guys, God, I've got so much going on. Oil Pan America and Rally Mexico. Ugh. A lot. A lot. Wow. Which one's your favourite? Tell me in the comments.